spend their money on you. Are not going to fall into any trap. Someone is definitely keeping an eye on you. Sexy. This is entertaining situation for you, Gemini. There is some kind of insecurity, past failure. This is a painful unblock, delete instead, and it's hard for you to forgive this person. Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your weekly love reading for the month of February. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take island from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this pattern, this spread. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's life, what they're thinking towards you, what their feelings towards you. Okay, Gemini, let's get started. What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? What are the Gemini feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? We are having here Eight of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Four of Swords, Six of Pentacles. What are the Gemini's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Gemini's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Queen of Swords, the Devil, Queen of Wands, Page of Swords. Okay, what are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here Page of Wands, Ace of Wands. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. It could be any Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Eight of Swords, Four of Swords, Page of Swords, and Queen of Swords. Capricorn with this Devil's card. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Queen of Wands, Ace of Wands, Page of Wands. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Page of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling here, Gemini. And there is voices in this person's head. They are like assuming things as well. This person is like question and then answer, some kind of pressure. This person is stuck in their own mind, in their own thought, in the cage of their mind. They are just stuck there. They are just holding these thoughts surrounding them and holding them back, and they don't know what to do in the situation. But the thing is that this person is tired, like a tired warrior here with this. They're tired of these games and this pull, and this person is tired of this, everything, the thoughts, the answer question, and the whatever between both of you, the connection. This person is tired of this connection and tired of being under pressure and tired of keep asking to themselves and answering themselves. This person is tired here, and this person is stuck in their own mind and interested in you. This person want to know you. This person want to explore you. There is some kind of interest. This person is involving with you as well. This person is definitely involving in you because they find you generous here. They want they want your support here. Every kind of support, emotional, financial. They find you so generous here with this Six of Pentacles, and they wanna be generous with you. They are willing to offer you their money and their support and their help because they are interested in you. They are, when you interested in somebody and you want to get this person attention, you willing to spend your resources and your money as well just to get your attention. This is this person willing to do for you. For getting your attention, they willing to you know spend their money on you because this person is super interested in you. And this person, like, in their mind, and they are stuck with this stuckness. They are sick with this stuckness. They are tired of this stuckness, and they keep thinking about, I think this is someone new want to offer you love, and this person is like under pressure. They are just like, what if you reject them? They are keep thinking about you and keep thinking and thinking about the all possibilities, and then feel so like, what if you reject them? What if you don't give them the positive response? And sometimes they feel like that, yes, they should offer you their money, their resources, and because this person is interested in you, that's how maybe they can win your heart. This person want to win you, at any cost, because at any cost. And this person is tired of being, stuck in their own mind. And in your side, you are strict here. You are a queen of swords. You are not going to fall into any trap here. You are like, with this queen and with this queen, you are become, when you are not going to fall into any trap and strict, that's make you attractive. You are entering in this, beautiful energies. Just look these both queens. When you are strict and you are not letting anyone to, throw any kind of BS on you, throw them their self on you, just to impose something on you, and you just totally, you really don't want to fall into any trap, and you become a queen of sword. And this, and also with this energy, queen of wands energy, you are so attractive, charming. It's enhance your aura. It's make you more attractive, more kind of, sexy. With this with both queens. With this queen of sword, you are strict, and with this queen of wands, you are intelligent and attractive. And there is some kind of obsession. This person is, in upcoming days, you feel like that, slowly, slightly, deeply getting obsessed over you, because this person is thinking about you too much, thinking about you. And there is a lot of fears in them, anxiety in them. What if you reject them? This person is getting obsessed over you, and you can feel this obsession. You can feel it. And you also, in upcoming days, maybe you feel like that someone is like sneaking into you. Someone is in your social media, checking your IDs, stalking you everywhere. Like they are just fall in cyberspace, in cyber city. They are just they are just, you feel like that someone is definitely keeping an eye on you, on your every activity, your Facebook profile, your, everything. They're sneaking into, they're spying on you. You feel like that. And you, like, this person is suspicious in your eyes in upcoming days, and thinking about you, talking about you, mutual friends, with the, friends and with the family. You can feel it. This person is spying on you and talking about you. You will find out in upcoming days eventually. And with this devil card, this person is obsessed over you. And this is someone new with this page of or this person with this page of wands want to explore you, as if this person find you so attractive, and this person want to explore you, like almost try to, want to touch you, want to be in your touch, and want to involve with you like that, romantically. And with this ace of wands, there is some kind of passion inside you. You complete a task and something is begun for you. There is a passion switched on inside you. You can feel there is some kind of excitement in you. There is some kind of new passion bubble up and switched on inside you with this ace of wands. Excitement in you, for you. This is entertaining situation for you, Gemini. Okay, let's see what else we have for you. Okay, two of cups, two of pentacles, and the moon. So with this two of cups, this person feels some kind of bond towards you. Feelings, there is some kind of string they are feeling towards you with this two of cups. And in your side with this two of pentacle, you feel like that this person is like making you imbalance. This person is imbalance and making you imbalance. You are losing your balance here. You feel like that, Gemini. And this person is juggling with two things. And this person is like, but this person feels some kind of connection towards you, and you are feel like that they are making you imbalance. And you are just like, you feel imbalance, and you feel like that you are juggling with multiple things, or maybe two things. There is some kind of third party. And with this moon card, insecurities, there is some kind of insecurities, there is some kind of fears. In upcoming days, you feel like that there is some kind of fears in you, insecurities in you. And this person is also fear and insecurities, highly fears and insecurities from this person's side. Okay, let's see what should you do, or how to deal with this person. What should you do, what should you avoid in upcoming days? And we are having here five of cups, three of sword, nine of wands. With this five of cups, when somebody offering you love, emotions, feeling interested in you, maybe someone new, maybe this person is all over new version of this person falling in love with you, interested in you, definitely you loop in past. there is some kind of regrets in you, grieving, and a past failure you will remind in upcoming days. But you need to don't stuck there. You feel the how your heart broken. You are heartbroken here, and you will remind that with this Five of Cups and with this Three of Sword. Definitely, you're going to remind that your heart is already broken once, and this is a painful process. This is a painful situation for you back then, and yes, you are hurt in past. You really don't want to repeat any. You are not letting anyone to hurt you over again at the name of love, and this person may be hurt you already in past, and you really don't want this person to let you hurt. And yes, you are like strong here with this Nine of Wands. You are stronger than usual, than in your past. This person, there's trauma in you. You can feel that you hurt a lot in past, but you are not letting this. You definitely going to use. You should use your just remind what you do back then when you face that kind of heartbreak situation. Then again do that. You can been through with this again and make it your fuel with this Nine of Wands. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this situation. What your angel want to add. Your emotions are healing, which enables you to open to greater love. I will help you release anger and unforgiveness from your heart and mind. Beautiful and relevant message ever. Will help you to release your anger and unforgiveness from your heart and your mind. It's hard for you to forgive this person. Wow, amazing. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Love yourself, don't give up, unblock, delete instead, seek for forgiveness. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person stuck in their mind. This person is spying on you, stalking you on social media, and obsessed over you, and keep thinking about you. You are not going to put your heart on stake, and it's hard for you to forgive this person. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.